Raiganj has no political history of such an aggressive four-corner fight since inception. But in 2019 general elections, the dynamics have changed. This constituency, which has traditionally been a Congress citadel, is today one of the two seats the left has won in Bengal in the last Lok Sabha. The left, which had ruled the state for 34 years, was reduced to just two in 2014. Yet, they can't be at peace. Mohammad Salim of CPM had an edge by just 0.5% vote share to Congress's Deepa Das Munshi. Imagine, just 0.5% in numbers that Deepa lost by 1,634 votes. TMC had never been in prominence, even though they have maintained a vote share of little above 17%. But Mamata Banerjee is confident of winning 42 out of 42 in Bengal. That includes Raiganj. The surprise, however, is in the rise of the BJP. The groundwork done by RSS over the years has helped BJP form a formidable organization. Today, every exit poll has suggested that this seat can go in the favor of the BJP. A party that has its loyal 18% vote share here is now hoping to swing from Congress and left voters as well. BJP is capitalizing on public anger against TMC post the Panchayat elections. Several Gram Panchayats went uncontested here, meaning that people were bereft of their right and joint vote. BJP is projecting itself as a force that can take on Mamata. Is that helping the BJP gain ground in a land which has 49% minority vote share? Let's find out in this Chunav Yatra.
Very good morning. How are you? Yesterday was a long day. दिल से सलीम, फिर से सलीम, रायगंज में सलीम.
Straight from the heart of the people of Raiganj,
Okay.
because they've seen the people, MP, the people's MP, and this is the coinage of one young person who happened to be the son of our former MLA.
Salinda, tell me something. How do you manage it without security? Like, I have seen you all throughout the year, not really keeping our personal security with you. But this is election time, and having covered politics, I'm so used to seeing politicians, taking the security cover because it's sensitive, and the areas you visit are also sensitive. How do you manage it without security?
First of all, you should have trust on people. According to Rabindranath, মানুষের উপর বিশ্বাস হারানো পাপ. বিশ্বাস করে ঠকে যাওয়া ভালো, কিন্তু অবিশ্বাস করা উচিত নয়. That is translated.
So I let you relax now, and once you get off the car, we will be following you, and of course you would interact more through the day. Thank you, sir.
কমরেড মোহাম্মদ সেলিম আপনাদের কাছে তার প্রার্থনার জন্য যাচ্ছি। আপনারা সবাই সমর্থন করবেন কমরেড মোহাম্মদ সেলিম। রায়গঞ্জ লোকসভা কেন্দ্রের প্রার্থী হবেন মোহাম্মদ সেলিম। প্রিয় সাংসদ কংগ্রেস মন্ত্রী, আমাদের জেলার কণ্ঠস্বর কংগ্রেস রায়গঞ্জ লোকসভা কেন্দ্রের প্রিয় প্রার্থী কংগ্রেস মোহাম্মদ সেলিম আপনাদের কাছে এসেছেন। ওনার ভোট প্রার্থনার জন্য আপনারা সকলে সমর্থন করবেন কংগ্রেস মোহাম্মদ সেলিমকে। আমাদের জেলার কণ্ঠস্বর আমাদের প্রিয় সাংসদ কংগ্রেস মোহাম্মদ সেলিম আপনাদের কাছে।
You can take a Bengali away from Bengal, but then you cannot take a Bengali's love for fish away from a Bengali. Mohammad Salim, the CPM candidate, certainly knows the love for food that Bengal people have, and thus capitalizing on that, Mohammad Salim has just gotten inside this fish market, very famous in Raiganj or Raiganj Kaliaganj area, and the campaign is on. Look at all the people, they are busy selling fish, but then Mohammad Salim is busy campaigning for politics. Sir, मार्केट के अंदर सब आ रहे हैं कैंपेन करने, कैसा लग रहा है, क्या कहने आ रहे हैं सर?
अच्छा लग रहा है। हाँ, सलीम जी ढलाई किया है, बहुत अच्छा आदमी है।
ये बाजार सलीम जी ने
हाँ, सीमेंट किया है। अच्छा,
आपको उम्मीद था कि इस टाइम पे जब आप सब मछली बेच रहे हैं तब कोई नेता आएगा कैंपेन करने के लिए?
नहीं, उम्मीद नहीं था।
सर कैसा लगा इधर पे लीडर आ गया, सलीम जी को कुछ कहना चाहिए?
नहीं बहुत अच्छा है, उनको हम लोग बहुत प्यार करते हैं। हाँ, बहुत अच्छा है।
Hot tea is brewing now, and so is the politics. Mohammad Salim has just taken a break, and so thankfully has taken a break because we were also running after him, and even we are tired now. So glad you are taking this tea break. And before we come to you, sir, I would like to speak to a couple of people and see what is the significance of this place. All of a sudden, why you gotten inside this place, sir? सर एक चीज़ बताइए, ये जगह का एक बहुत पुराना हिस्ट्री है सर। आप कह रहे थे, मैंने सुना ज्योति बासु जी इधर पे आए थे, सुभाष चक्रवर्ती जी आए थे आज। अच्छा, आप बताइए सर, क्या हिस्ट्री है इस चाय दुकान का?
ये जो कॉफी हाउस जो है ना, उसका जो एक हिस्ट्री है। कालियागंज में राम बाबू का दुकान है, महेंद्रगंज राम बाबू का दुकान का एक हिस्ट्री है।
अच्छा
है,
क्या हिस्ट्री है?
हिस्ट्री है यही जो वामपंथी लोग एक टाइम पे यहाँ पर बैठते हैं, क्या करता है, राजनीति करता है, कॉफी हाउस के माफिक। ऐसा कोई लॉजिक है क्या? इस राम बाबू का दुकान का चाय जो पी लिया वही जीत गया?
ये इस नाथ मंदिर एरिया में सबसे अच्छा चाय का दुकान इसको बोला जाता है। और सबसे ओल्डेस्ट चाय का दुकान है। और यहाँ पे मैं तो यहाँ सर्विस करता हूँ, मैं यहाँ का निस्तारी निवासी नहीं हूँ। मैं पूर्णिया डिस्ट्रिक्ट बिहार से बिलोंग करता हूँ, मगर मेरी मिसेस यहाँ की है, तो मैं LIC से भी जॉब करता हूँ। तो मगर मैं नियरेस्ट में मैं यहाँ पे भाड़ा में रहता हूँ। तो यहाँ का जो भी CPM मैंने सुना है, ज्योति बासु से लेके बगल में कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी का ऑफिस भी है। तो यहाँ पे रेगुलर जो है पहले से ही कम्युनिस्ट के लोगों का आना जाना इस दुकान से पहले से रहा।
राम बाबू कहाँ पे है? राम बाबू से अभी
स्वर्गवास कर चुके हैं,
लेकिन राम बाबू का याद में आज भी ये दुकान है। और सलीम जी ये बताइए, जो हिस्ट्री है, हिस्ट्री से अगर जाए तो इस दुकान का चाय बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, राइट?
चाय तो बाद में करेंगे, ये तो इंडिपेंडेंट थर्ड पार्टी भी हो जाएगा। ये बोले यहाँ के निवासी भी नहीं हैं, सर्विस करने आए यहाँ रहते हैं, इनसे पूछ लो। यहाँ कालियागंज और रायगंज क्षेत्र से और संसद से मोहम्मद सलीम का क्या संपर्क है, जनता का व्यू ले लो।
सर, you think for left's resurgence there was a requirement for better understanding, and you know what I'm hinting at. Do you think that way Congress has betrayed left? Because there were talks doing rounds. There had been hectic
round. It's other way around. It's not the understanding was needed for resurgent left. On the question of revigored, resurgent, redefined left in Bengal, the Congress was talking about Jot. We said no Jot, but some seat adjustment.
Raiganj happened to be the bone of contention, it seemed like. Deepa Das Munshi was quite determined that she wants to fight from Raiganj, and they wanted this seat, Congress.
No, it's not bone of contention. It was the local Congress leaders, they converted the issue into a dog in the manger policy.
Okay.
And that's how the BJP has played the trick, and big money power has played this role, because we never thought of. We said, let the Congress put up a candidate. There's no harm because Congress is not in the game. That's the issue.
It had been a Congress bastion. You're saying Congress is no more in the game.
In the past, it was Jamindar's bastion. But where are the Jamindars? It was the bastion of the Nawabs and Mughals. Where are they? People live in present and fight for the future, not in the past.
So you think Deepa Das Munshi is responsible for the understanding to fail?
I'm not in the blame game.
Okay. Well, thank you so much for this Chai Pe Charcha. Well, as our vehicle was passing through Telingadangi, which is also part of, Raiganj constituency, we had to stop and get off the vehicle, seeing such a crowd. Now, they're all waiting here for the BJP candidate Deboshri Chaudhary. And from a distance, you could hear this sound, Bharat Mata Ki Jai, Vande Mataram, and you could sense some BJP activity happening over there. आप एक चीज़ बताइए, ये राजनीति जो रायगंज की है, ये कभी बीजेपी के तरफ नहीं था। बीजेपी 2014 में भी 3rd पोजीशन में थी, लेकिन आज लोगों में जो एक उत्साह है, ये क्या भारत माता के लिए है या फिर जय श्री राम के लिए है या फिर मोदी जी के लिए?
तीनों ही है, इनमें तीनों का ही पूरा समान है।
अच्छा।
जिनमें मोदी जी भारत माता,
हाँ।
मोदी जी मतलब श्री राम,
हाँ।
मोदी जी मतलब देश का उन्नति,
हाँ।
मोदी जी मतलब भारत का स्वाभिमान, स्वाभिमान मतलब राम।
हाँ।
ये सब मिला के अभी जो स्थिति पैदा हुआ है देश में,
हाँ।
वो मोदी जी का खिलाफ कोई नहीं है, आगे पीछे कोई आने वाला नहीं है।
ये लगता है कि मोदी जी का जो फीवर है, जो 2014 में हम लोग सब कह रहे थे मोदी फीवर, जो कांग्रेस ने सवाल उठाया कि शायद 2019 में मोदी फीवर और है नहीं, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे कि ये मोदी फीवर का जादू है कि जिसके लिए आपको इतना सपोर्ट दिख रहा है रास्ते में?
सारी मिलके हैं। एक तो यहाँ का जो नेगेटिव है, इतना सालों से इन लोगों का पूरा धोखा दिया है, वो तो एक तरफ का है। दूसरा तरफ का मोदी जी का ऊपर भरोसा। 5 सालों से देख रहे हैं कि देश में कोई चोरी नहीं हुआ, कोई मंत्री करप्टेड नहीं बना है, और मोदी जी खुद माँ के लिए भी कुछ नहीं किया है। जो वचन दिया था, ना खाऊंगा ना खाने दूंगा, वो करके दिखाया है।
very integral to Bengali culture and Bengali tradition. The way the sound of Uru as they call it, and the sound of conch, which is known as Shankho in Bengali. So this is the sound of rural Bengal and the sound to usher in anything new, a change. Look at the way the BJP candidate is being greeted with flowers, with garland, and with that quintessential sound of Bengal. Now, yes, so they are indicating that they are simply not with BJP. They are also indicating that they are blowing the election conch, the poll conch, the poll bugle, so to say, to usher in a change, the wind of change in Bengal.
Deepa Das Munshi has made her political comeback. She and her decision to contest from Raiganj, many say, failed the alliance talks, a process that was on between the left and the Congress. Left didn't want to forego the seat and Congress didn't want to antagonize Deepa.
Trinamool Congress is very strong here in Bengal. 34 seats in Lok Sabha and 213 seats in Assembly. So Trinamool Congress is strong in Bengal. But you also know that there is a growing Modi fever in Bengal. No one can deny that. So if I ask Deepa Das Munshi, who is your bigger challenge? Modi, that is BJP, or Mamata Banerjee, that is Trinamool Congress?
Look, I never consider opponent, at least opponents who are there, nobody is weak for me. Everybody is strong. So here we are having a four-corner fight, and one side is BJP, one side is TMC, another side is CPIM, Mohammad Salim, who was earlier MP from this constituency. So nobody is weak for me. We are fighting a big battle where four corners are very strong. So I don't consider who is stronger or who is weaker, but all of them we are at par, and all the parties are strong enough to fight.
Four corner fight happening in Raiganj and of course elsewhere in Bengal. Many say that this could have been avoided had left and Congress gone for an alliance. That alliance of course didn't work out. Talks were doing rounds. Hectic parleys happened between Rahul Gandhi and Sitaram Yechuri, but eventually things didn't work. Do you think it can cost both Congress and the left?
I don't think so, because in 2016 we had an alliance, which was not an alliance. Of course, it was a seat sharing. Yeah, and we had it. And after the election was over, then there was then left. Obviously, they deserted us. They broke the alliance or the seat sharing or whatever understanding we had. So it is not that we have come out from that alliance.
The battleground is set in Raiganj, where no corner is left without political fight, which is now divided in four corners. You have Trinamool Congress, you have left, and surprise entry, BJP, that was number 3 in the last election, that is in 2014, and many say could be the dark horse this election.